I'm Pete Deely. I'm founder of A Well-Run Life and Grace Farms.
And I'm Orrin Malavinsky. I'm the founder and owner of Farmboy in Chandler.
So today we want to tell you about our weekly food box program. We call it the Green Box. And some people have similar programs called Blue Apron or Sunfresh Basket, but we have a program that focuses on local farmers, bringing you the most flavorful and the most nutritious food.
And what we curate in the box every week is different ingredients for you to create your own meals at home, healthy and nutritious, and everything's ready for you. Last week we gave you everything to make chili con carne, and this week we're making Cuban sandwiches. So it's a lot of fun, but you also get to connect with your food and make it yourself.
So we want you to support our local businesses, we want you to support our local agricultural system, and we want to improve your health. And so to order the Green Box, we want you to go to awellrunlifegear.com, and you'll see it as the first thing you can buy on that site. So that's where you would purchase the Green Box program.
Okay, let's go ahead and do that again. We're going to honk the horn.
Okay.
Go for it.
So it says I was brilliant.
Right.
I was so
You really
awesome.
were. You really were.
Word for word.
I know. You really did. That's always how it goes.
The Green Box can be picked up every week at Farmboy, so come by, see us when you're picking up your box after you subscribe, and we'd love to catch up with you.
So food can be either your safest medicine or your slowest poison. So let's eat the best stuff and live the healthiest life we can.
So we'll see you over here at Farmboy soon.